A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Workshop 2.0 Mama I'm Special. In this episode 2, we discuss about dyscalculia. Dyscalculia is a learning disorder with impairment in mathematics. It is associated with significant difficulty understanding numbers and working with mathematical concepts. Understanding the child. Everyone is different in their abilities, skills, interests, ways of learning, and likes and dislikes. Dyscalculia is a term referring to a wide range of difficulty with maths, including weaknesses in understanding the meaning of numbers and difficulty applying mathematical principles to solve problems. Dyscalculia is rarely identified early. Here are two possible causes of dyscalculia. Number 1, genetics. Dyscalculia tend to run in the family. Research shows that genetics may also play a part in problems with mathematics. Number 2, brain development. Brain imaging studies have shown some differences between people with and people without dyscalculia. There is no cure for dyscalculia. It is not a phase whereby a child will outgrow it. Like the color of a person's hair, it is part of the child's identity. It is the way his or her brain processes mathematics. A young child with dyscalculia may, number 1, have difficulty recognizing numbers. Number 2, delay in learning to count. Number 3, struggle to connect numerical symbols with their corresponding words. Number 4, difficulty recognizing patterns and placing things in order. Number 5, lost track when counting. Number 6,